Hello, today we are going to walk through the installation of WellSaid's MCP Server. This server allows you to connect with LLM clients such as Claude Desktop that we will be using in today's video. The prerequisites to get started are you must have a WellSaid API key available to you. You can get these in your WellSaid account by going to the API section and requesting a key. You need an MC compatible AI client. For this example, we'll be using Claude Desktop. You must have UV installed, which is a package manager where we have hosted our MCP server. And you need the WellSaid MCP server, of course. So let's start by going there. So here is the WellSaid MCP server. You can get to it from the docs. And again, step one is to make sure that we have UV installed, the package manager. So let's go in here. I'm going to use brew install, use homebrew for this. So let's get this, make sure we have that available to us. And then next we will, we're going to do a local deployment here. So I want to run this locally. So I'm going to clone down the repository. So copy that here and clone this repo. Great, now we have the MCP server, so we can move over there. The next steps here are to run it locally. We're going to set up a virtual environment and then do a pip install. Fantastic, that went without any errors. And finally, move myself over here. We will run the MCP Claude Desktop and run it locally. So great. So it's asking me for my API key. I already put one in before the starting of this, so we didn't need to watch me fumbling around and showing everyone my key. So now we have our MCP server running. We can go over to Claude. And if we look in the settings for Claude under developer, we should see now, perfect, our WellSaid MCP server is running without errors. If you do run into any issues, obviously reach out to us, but you will also see some logs outputted here that you can send over to us as an initial troubleshooting step. But again, this should just be one or two commands and you should be up and running. So that is the installation process for getting the MCP server running within Claude Desktop. Now we can switch over to doing a demo of what the MCP server can do.